My home is my castle. I would not want to move anywhere. It is me. My name is Annie Williams. I was born in 1942 in New Tredegar in the Rhymney Valley. I moved to Pontypridd in 1980 and I live in the house that I moved in then.
Cwm Repair is an organisation that we promote independence and independent living. I'm a part of the Community Health and Wellbeing team, and as a caseworker on that team I work with a multidisciplinary panel of all different professional healthcare providers. We want our clients to live safely and independently in their own homes. For example, with Anne, this has been her home since the 80s. This is her home environment. This is her happy place.
My life before Cwm Repair came in was quite a struggle. Unable to climb the steps into my house and going upstairs was a nightmare.
With regards to a new patient referral which comes in, we would want to go out and do a healthy homes check. A healthy homes check is to make sure that the property is safe, property is warm and that the patient is living independently. I'd also do a benefits check. I'd have a chat to make sure that the patient is receiving the right benefits that they should be having. When Anne came through as a patient referral, Anne didn't have any aids or adaptations in her home. So what we did in Anne's home is that we put a galvanised rail on the front steps. That's to help her transfer safely to access the community.
Cwm Repair helped me to keep my independence as I live alone, and they have brought back my self-confidence as well.
The beauty of the Community Health and Wellbeing team is that we are patient focused, we're in the environment, we're seeing everything, and then we can capture then exactly what the outcomes are. It could very well be as simple as a grab rail by that front door, but that's our legacy. We created that to make that patient a lot safer.
Because of the help from Cwm Repair, it means that I can stay in my home until my maker wants me. I can't thank them enough.